Welcome to a powerful strategy that can transform your financial future in just 5 years. Most people work hard for 40 years and still worry about money, investing enormous time with limited results.
But here's the truth. 40 years of struggle can be replaced by 5 years of transformation with the right approach.
The difference is having the right plan, a strategic framework that changes everything. Money Mastery gives you the tools to achieve true financial freedom and lasting wealth. Let's talk about why most people never build wealth, even when they work hard and earn well. When you live on autopilot, you end up saving randomly, investing emotionally, and just following whatever trend everyone else is chasing. They don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they never build a system. So what is a 5-year wealth plan really about? It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth the right way. Structure, discipline, compounding, and consistency form the foundation of any real wealth plan. The plan turns your income into assets, and those assets into freedom. Step 1 is building your financial foundation before anything else. That means having an emergency fund, insurance protection, debt control, and expense tracking in place. Wealth is built on safety, not risk.
Step 2 is creating multiple income streams instead of relying on just one.
Your income strategy should include your job or business, investments, and digital income sources. A single income is fragile, but multiple incomes give you real power. Step 3 is investing with a system, not just throwing money around.
Your investment engine needs a long-term portfolio, monthly investing, growth assets, and yearly rebalancing. Random investing builds confusion, but system investing builds wealth. Step 4 is upgrading your financial IQ continuously. You need to learn about markets, money psychology, taxes, asset allocation, and business skills. Your income grows directly with your intelligence.
Step 5 is measuring, reviewing, and improving every single year. That means reviewing your net worth, tracking cash flow, rebalancing your portfolio, and upgrading your goals. What gets measured gets multiplied. Now, here's my question for you. Are you serious about building wealth in the next 5 years?
Comment yes if you're committed, thinking about it if you're considering it, or just starting if you're beginning your journey.
5 years will pass anyway. The only question is, will you be richer or still confused? If this gave you clarity, hit like and subscribe to support the content. Up next, we'll dive into building your first portfolio. The next video shows you how to construct a portfolio worth 1 crore rupees, or $100,000. Thanks for watching.